Rules, they had their own pieces of equipment. We said no, the ice machines, we bought 8 brand new ice machines, we'll manage the lot. If that one doesn't work, use that one or whatever. And so we provided new equipment. We got the maintenance costs down on the equipment by having one service contract. It was basically a change management situation to get people in there. From the word go, we got staff involved. As soon as the builders would allow visitors in, we got them hard hat, boots, made them feel part of it, got all the admin people in one group, showed them around, gave them a few options what they could do. User meetings are very, very important at the earliest stage you can. And there was one instance where the architects wanted to put the water taps there and the sockets underneath. And we said, no, water below and sockets above. And they said, well, why? And we said, water runs down there. There's little things like that they think it looks much nicer when you've got taps at the top and your sockets underneath. So you need to sometimes stand up to them and say no, for reasons it's to be this way. There's no argument about it. The rest of it is basement labs, ground floor offices, and write-up space, and first floor write-up space. Now you'll see when we go over there, the whole building's open plan. There's no ceiling between the labs and the write-up areas. And the way they achieve the air separation is with a high-pressure air curtain which blows over. So it's only containment level 1 laboratory. You couldn't do anything apart from analysis and minor sort of blood analysis in there. The grey area outside, there's actually laboratories right underneath that, right the way through. And you see the light wells actually in the mews. That allows light into the labs, and also at night we shine a green gel up. So we get a green wash on the mews from it. What you will notice when we go over the other side, which is actually the pavilion, is the 3 suspended structures, which we'll all sort of renown for is suspended pods. They're meeting rooms, seminar rooms, and the centre of the cell.
Like the serious fun of the serious fear.
It is. As you say, I mean, it's lovely. Oh, they worked wonderfully. It's the most amazing place.